Hello and welcome back to Techsober. In this video, I'll show you how to install a local LLM on your device and connect it to Openclaw so that you don't have to worry about tokens. Also, I'll show you how to install Openclaw and connect it to Telegram, and finally how to give Openclaw browser access so that it can get you information from the web. And thank you for the positive response on my past two videos on Openclaw. You can check them out later. Many people ask me that APIs are not free and tokens is a big problem. So this video is a solution for that. And it doesn't matter if you have any knowledge on AI or not, you just need to copy my step and your setup will be completed. So let's get started. Okay, open a browser and type Ollama. Open the first link and then download it for Windows. Once you have downloaded Ollama, you will see this. Just open it, you will get an install setup. Just quickly install it. And after your installation is done, you will see a window like this. Give it a couple of seconds because it takes time to load. Okay, now go back to the website and create an account in Ollama. Once your account is created, you will see a window like this. Now in the search option, type Openclaw and then you will see this model, Vitas 26. Just open it. Now just copy this code as you can see on the screen with this copy button, and now go to Windows search and search for command prompt and run it as an administrator and paste the copied code over there and hit enter. You will see that the model has started to install. It will take some time, but once installed, just open the Ollama chatbot and click on select model. And if you scroll down, now you can see the Vitas 26 model is available. Just click and select it. Now your local LLM model is installed. You can chat with it as you do with ChatGPT or any other chatbots. Just remember that the response time will be dependent on your GPU's power, but it should be fine. Now let's get to the next part. Open a browser and search for Openclaw, and then you will see a website like this. Scroll down and you will see a quick start dialog. Over here, select PowerShell, and if you have a Mac, flip the switch to select Mac because currently I'm using Windows, so I'll keep it as it is. And finally, copy the code that's next to it. Okay, now search for PowerShell in the Windows search and open it. Make sure to run it as an administrator. Now just open the file explorer, select a drive and make a new folder. I have named it as Openclaw. Okay, let's go back to the command prompt. As you can see, we are in C drive and the file that we saved is in D drive. So just type over here cd space D:/. Hit enter and now we are in D drive. Now just type cd space Openclaw and now we are in the Openclaw folder. Now if you have named the folder something else, instead of Openclaw, put that name. Here in the command prompt, now paste the code that we copied from the website. Hit enter and Openclaw has started to install. Give it some time. And now as you can see, the Openclaw has been installed. Okay, let's check. Quickly open a new prompt command and just type Openclaw. And as you can see, it's installed. Now type Openclaw on board, hit enter and you will see Openclaw is ready for setup. I selected yes over here and then clicked on quick start because it's comparatively easy. After that, you will see an option to select a provider. Just go all the way down and select skip now. After that, you will see an option to select filters. Here you need to select all providers. And finally, for default model, select enter model manually. Now clear the default model that is in here. Now let's go back to Ollama website, search for Openclaw in the search button, and this time copy the model name like I am doing it over here. Now go back and under default model write Ollama / and paste the model name that we just copied. It will look something like this. After that, just hit enter. Okay, here it will show you an option to select a channel. Just select Telegram and now it will ask you to give it a bot token. So quickly open a new browser and type Telegram web and then click on the first link. You will see a QR code. Now either log in directly from the browser or open Telegram on your phone, click settings, click on link devices and then scan the QR code on the browser. Once Telegram is open, in the search button, type bot father and open it. You will see a message like this. Search for new bot and click on it. Now it will ask you to give your bot a name. Go ahead with a unique name and paste it. And now again paste the same name and now this will be your username as well. As you see, it has also given us an API code. Just copy it and let's go back to the Openclaw setup. After that, it will ask you to configure the skills. Just select no. Now for enable hooks, just select bot MD by pressing the space button and then hit enter. And as you can see, the gateway services are installed. And now the final step, and that is select hatch in TUI and hit enter. And there you go. Your Openclaw setup is ready. It has even messaged us back. But what if I message it back? As you can see, it comes back as an error. But don't worry, Techsober hai na. So open File Explorer, go to C drive, Profile, and then finally Openclaw. And here you will see a JSON file like this. Just open it. In here you will see some weird text like these, but don't be scared. Just follow my instructions. You need to paste this code. Don't worry, the code is in the description. You just need to copy paste. Can you see agents written? Right above that is my cursor. It's just above the agents, and paste the code right over there. Once done, it will look something like this. Once again, now go to Ollama website. On the top right, click on your email. After that, you will see a page like this. Now click on keys, add an API, name it, and finally hit generate. And here is your API key. Just copy it and let's go back to the JSON file. Now you see where you just pasted the text, there is an API section over there which doesn't have any text. Just paste this API between those quotes. After doing it, it will look something like this. And with that, we have connected Openclaw to the local LLM. After that, again, in JSON, search for Telegram. And under Telegram, you will see something as streaming. Replace the entire line with this. And don't worry, you will find all the commands in the description. You just need to copy paste. Once again, go to the top of the JSON file and you will see this term, base URL. Here, replace your IP address with localhost. Do exactly as I am doing. Once done, it will look something like this. And now finally, save the JSON file. Again, let's go to command prompt and type there Openclaw gateway restart and then hit enter. After that, type Openclaw dashboard and you will see a dashboard opening in a browser like this. Here on the top right, you will see a sign as healthy, which means it's running completely fine. I have typed hi over here to test it. Just wait for a few seconds and as you can see, it is completely working. It has even replied me. So your Openclaw setup is completed. And if you're enjoying the video, make sure that you hit the like button. And if you're watching it on phone, make sure you hit the hype button. It will tell YouTube to suggest this video to other people as well. Okay, now let's connect it to Telegram. Open Telegram and search for the Telegram bot that you created. And then click start. It will give you a Telegram pairing code. Just copy it. Now go back to the command window where you typed Openclaw dashboard and then type this. Openclaw pairing approved Telegram followed by the pairing code that we just copied. And it will look something like this. Once you hit enter, it will say approved Telegram sender. Now go back to Telegram and let's check. It should work at this point. But if it doesn't, like it did in my case, don't you worry. Just try closing all the tabs, including all the prompt tabs and the browser tabs. And then open PowerShell again, run it as an administrator. And then type Openclaw gateway start and then hit enter. Sometimes it just needs a hard reset to store the new commands. And as you see, now it's running fine. Now let's go back to Telegram and send a hi again. And now you can see it has responded back and is working completely fine. Sometimes it takes time, so be patient. Now let's connect the browser to Openclaw. So let's go back to the prompt command and type this command, Openclaw browser extension install and hit enter. After that, type Openclaw browser extension path and hit enter again. Now open a new browser. I have gone with Google Chrome. And after that, click on the three dots on the top right. Now select extensions and then manage extensions and then you will see a page like this. Again, in the top right, you will see developer mode. Just turn it on. And then on the top left, you will see load unpacked. Just click on it. Now go to this PC, select C drive, after that users and then profile. Then click on Openclaw and then browser. And then finally select Chrome extension. And then press select folder. You will see a page like this. Now all you need is a gateway token. So let's get it. And if the video has been helpful till now, make sure that you subscribe to Techsober. Now again, go to the JSON file and search for gateway. Here you will see a section called gateway. Just copy the token which is under gateway as you can see on the screen and then paste it on the browser where the token was required. And as you see, it has been accepted. Now open any site on the browser. I'm going with the example as I did in the past video. I'm opening TGR News. Now on the top right, click on extensions and then pin the Openclaw extension. You will see a red logo on the side. Just click on it and an on sign will appear. And that's it. Your browser tabs are connected to Openclaw. Let's test it. Let's write, give me top 3 news from bgr.com. but make sure after your prompt you write use the attached tabs, so it knows that we're talking about the extension tabs. And there you go, it has come back with a reply and has given us the top 3 news. And that's it, your Openclaw is now connected to your local LLM so that you don't have to worry about tokens. And your Telegram is also connected to your Openclaw, and your Openclaw is also connected to the browser tab. Basically, everything is connected to everything. Just ask anything to Telegram, assign a task, and let the AI do the work. Here are a few helpful commands. You'll find rest of the commands in the description, so do check it out. And if you find any additional errors while the setup, do mention me in the comment section. Also tell me what my next video should be. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, peace.